Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. This is the second part of a series on pivot tables. In this video, we will look at how to add and compare additional levels and subtotals within a pivot table. Perhaps we want to compare the data between both the population and median income of 2015. To do this, we would drag and drop the required fields of population and median income into values, year into filters, and continent into rows. If you want to drill deeper into what the data is comprised of, new information can be added to the rows section. See how dragging and dropping the entity and code field into rows reflects how each country contributes to the population and median income of their respective continents. Notice how the added level of entities in the rows section has provided a subtotal for each continent. This can be altered under the Design tab using the Subtotals dropdown, where we can change the placement of the subtotal or remove it entirely. We can similarly alter the appearance of the grand totals from the Design tab, and we can hide the rows by using the plus or minus icons. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the Excel sheet from our website to practice the functions yourself.